how you're doing. I'm going to show you guys the trade I took on Monday and Tuesday because I didn't do trade recap on those. So let's jump right into the charts. So I marked out market open from Monday to Friday on both pairs. And then marked out 4 hour fair value gaps on both pairs. Let's see what it is. It's getting to 1 minute time frame. We had SMT and this and this. Coming to this, we had this and this. And I say I normally take my trades on lagging index. Few so and so SPS was the lagging index. So we had the same thing. So we had this we had all these 1 minute fair value gap. So I just mark out everything and just we wait for price to tap into the fair value gap. So when price came up this fair value gap and tested, I entered. My stop loss was above this already generated 1 minute low highs here. So my first TP was this 30-minute low here, and my second TP was here. So this was it. This was it. I deleted but this was it. Yeah. We almost swept the 30 minutes low, but no, nothing. We didn't sweep it. We went up, came down, we came down, swept it. As we swept it, I took partial, then I let my stuff run to final TTP. To today, sorry, the on Monday I made $50. Yep. So let's go into Tuesday. It's important to come in at the end of every week, go through your trades, see where you made mistakes or not. Very, very important. So Tuesday trade. We swept this forward low here. By the way, on Tuesday, we had news by 10, but the news by 10, they are high, like is a red fold down this, but it doesn't have that much impact in the market. So we swept this forward low here. Okay. So scaling to 1 minute time frame. We had this low here. We also had this low here. I also had this low here. Go to this, we had this low here. This low here. We also had this low here. So we formed SMT. You can watch this candle, right? This candle swept this low, but didn't sweep this low and this low. But on Nasdaq, this red candle swept everything. So I was I was more dialed in on 5 minute time frame. So let's um, mhm. Yeah, the same thing. Yes. We had this and this. We had this and this. We still have SMT with this low and this low, this low and this low, also with this low and with this low and this low, this low and this low. So it's going from time frame. Why do you like? Let me mark my the I was looking for to take final TP or just for so we had the paper structure. Okay, all that. I know that we formed fair value gap here. I don't know why. Because we formed tiny fair value gap here. And when we formed that fair value gap, we had the break of structure to the upside. And also to the upside here. I entered with a low lot. Why? Because like the risk to reward was too small. My SL was big, so I wanted price to at least come down, retest this before I take any trade. You feel me? So I took off position. I entered here. So we had news by then. But I said the news is not important news because it doesn't affect the market well. So when price came, we tapped into this fair value gap, but we now had a break of structure to the downside with this. Can see this red candle, this red candle closed below this low. So the red candle closed below this low. So like when the close happened, I was now waiting for break of structure back to the upside, but we didn't. So I got stopped out. That was the first trade I took. Then I entered again because we still held SMT from this low now to this. We had SMT. Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. We had the same thing. So we now generated this massive fair value gap on 5 minute time frame. We now the break of structure to the upside with okay, with this green candle here. You can see too massive. My SL would have been too massive. So I entered from there, start from here. The SL was too big, and so I still used a tiny SL. You feel me? Also in here, my SL was too much, was too much. So I entered from here. Also waiting, I used a lower lot so that I would or I will get a better entry. So, but we now came up. We swept this 30 minutes high here on SPS. We swept this 30 minutes high on SPS. Yes, we had this high. So we swept this high, but on Nasdaq we were nowhere close to the high. So we were performing a bearish 30 minutes SMT. So like when I saw that, I could not take partial because like I was already running like um on a low profit. Like was it $8 or what? Yeah, I think it was $8. So but when we swept, I just had to put my stop loss to break even, and you can see what the price did. Came, retested that fair value again, went up and stopped me out. So I think I lost to 25 dollar here. So I, I didn't show you guys my trade Monday and Tuesday, so I had to do a video to show you guys my Monday and Tuesday trade. So that's all. If you like my video, like and subscribe. Peace.